GIFs are everywhere. They are a beautiful but also weird phenomenon, and they are not going anywhere. And not only are they not going anywhere, they are used in every aspect of our daily lives. They're in text messages, they're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, they're on all the social platforms. They're even in your workspace, they're on Slack, they're on promotional emails, they're on other promotional material. They are everywhere. GIFs are only getting bigger and the competition is still very, very low. If used correctly, GIFs can do wonders for your business. We had a client turn over 300,000 GIF views into an increased revenue of over $100,000. Fantastic. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now, if you're new here, we cover all aspects of digital marketing, social media, everything. Now, for today's video, we're gonna be going over how to get your GIFs on every platform you can think of. We're gonna try to get your GIFs on Instagram. We're gonna get your GIFs on TikTok. We're gonna get your GIFs on Google. You can even get your GIFs on Slack. It is a fantastic way to build your brand presence globally and instantly. These are brand building elements that you just do not want to overlook. And if you do overlook this, you could be missing out on millions of clicks. That's right, millions of clicks. All right, another video I do cover how to make custom GIFs, just a basic coverage of it. So I'll throw a link in the description down below so you can take a look at that. Now, I'm assuming that you have GIFs created, and if you don't, we're more than happy to help you out. So just check out the email. So I'm assuming you have these GIFs and you're ready to put them on all of the different platforms. So the first thing that I want to talk about is getting your GIFs on Google. So for Google, there are two platforms that you should upload your GIFs to. The first one is Giphy, and the other one is I can never say. I've been on this platform since 2014. I still can't pronounce them, but Imager. I always just say IMG, but this company, you need to put your GIFs on as well. So when uploading, you can upload your GIF to these platforms, and then you put in the title and then also some search tags. Now you can put up to 20 search tags, and these are absolutely essential for being searchable through Google. If you put nothing, your stuff never is gonna pop up. So make sure you have a good title, and then also the top keywords that you want attached to these GIFs. So you're gonna do that for Giphy and then also IMG. So you're gonna do that for Giphy and also IMG. And once you do that, your GIFs are officially ready to go for SEO purposes. So when people search, let's say tanning GIF, you're gonna have your tanning GIFs pop up. All right, let's get into number 2, and that is Instagram. So with Instagram, you want to make sure that your transparent GIFs or stickers are searchable through them. So the first thing is that you're gonna need to have transparent GIFs because they're stickers and they're what is being searched on Instagram. And making it searchable is beyond importance. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your Giphy account, and then you're gonna apply for a brand channel. Now there is a lot of qualifications to apply for a brand channel. It took us about 2 months to go through the entire process. We got rejected, then we finally got approved. So once you apply for a brand channel, you start uploading your GIFs on that brand channel, and then every GIF and every tag, it is now searchable through Instagram. Now, if you do not want to wait these 2 months, just hit us up in the email. We'll be more than happy to get your GIFs up and running instantly. Now, this brand channel on Giphy is essentially what's going to get you out to every single platform. Every platform that I was mentioning earlier, this is how you do it. It's through Giphy. So to get your stickers on TikTok, it's through Giphy. To get them on Facebook, it's through Giphy. To get them on Slack, it's through Giphy. So it is really important to either get that brand channel or come to a place that already has a brand channel and let them host your GIFs for you. So just to show you an example, I'm gonna bring up Instagram. And then I am going to click add a story. Now I'm just going to take a picture of just my dusty table. So it's no big deal. It doesn't matter. And then I'm going to go to the stickers tab. And then I'm going to type in the search bar, total tan. And then as you can see, all the GIFs that we created are right there and they are ready to go. And you could move them around, you could do whatever, but what is so important is that it is on Instagram. Your GIFs are searchable now on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and that is just so many more eyeballs on your content and on your brand. Now, there is a strategy to convert these stickers into more revenue, which we will get to in another video, but I just wanted to lay the groundwork on getting your gifts out to the most amount of people, getting your brand to the most amount of people. Like I said before, there is so much opportunity in this space. It's crazy. All right, and that is it. That is all I want to go over for today's video about getting your gifts searchable on all these platforms. Now, if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to subscribe. And if you liked it, make sure to praise those YouTube gods for me and like this video. Click that thumbs up. And if you have any questions and you want to hit us up, or if you want to schedule a meeting, either hit us up in the email in the description or just drop a comment down below. I'll make sure to get to everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.